What's up YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be addressing all the newbies and people who are planning to join a gym, and even in case you're a year older or 2 years older in the gym, or even 10 years, you're most welcome to watch my video. And even for women or men who think they're not getting enough results and it's been quite a while in the gym. So let's start off. Number one, I know it is very intimidating when you first go to the gym. You see people working out, people are swole, they are working, it is crazy in the gym. When it was everybody's had their first day. Christian Guzman, Vicky Packard, Heidi Summers, Paige Hathaway, Amanda Bucci, and I can name a lot of people and you wouldn't know. So just let's come back to the topic. So yes, when it was my first day, I would stare at people doing crazy stuff and I'm standing there with my 2 kilo dumbbell and figuring out what to do with my body and what to do with my life. So yes, do not get intimidated or scared, because you are there for your body. Somebody else is not working out for you. Staring at others will give you nothing. So work out on yourself instead. Number 2 is focus. Often people get distracted and easily, and people want to distract other people because they are themselves not focused on their workouts. Focus on yourselves. If you think you're distracted easily, buy big ass headphones. Amazing quality headphones are available in the market. And also you can buy snapbacks or good hats or caps to hood yourself, so that you're able to focus on your workouts. So focus is very, 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 very important when you start working out, because you're not in the routine of working out, you're not used to going to the gym, so it is a little difficult getting focused, but all these things will help you get focused. So yes, focus. Number 3 is a very, 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 very irritating issue personally for me, that is socializing, because I feel that gym is one place that will help you, because I have not been forced into going to gym. And I'm sure a lot of you people who are going to the gym or planning to go to the gym are not being forced by others to join the gym, I'm sure. So gym is a place you go to for working out or grooming yourself. So don't socialize. There are better places to socialize. There are cafes and everything. Because often what happens is that when I'm working out in the gym and I'm in the flow and everything, and I see people sitting on the bench where I have to work out, that breaks my flow. It's very, very irritating, and it does not even look nice when I have to ask people to can you get up because I have to work out. It gets a little awkward, because as is, I don't speak to people in the gym much. So I don't say be rude to people or something, but yeah, avoid talking. It's okay to laugh out here and there, because it keeps everything lively, and you don't get bored easily if you have friends around. But make sure that the friends you have around are your workout buddies and not those who you would meet up in the cafes or booze with or something like that. So that was number 3, that is avoid socializing, because you're there to work out and not waste time. Number 4 is have a plan. Do not look confused, because it often happens that people are roaming here and there and just checking out other people working out on themselves, and they don't know what to do next. Often there are people who would come up to other people and say कि अच्छा मुझे आज back करना है, तो मैं back में मैंने ये करना है, मैं क्या करूँ, what to do next. It's better you have a plan written, or your set of workouts written, printed, or on your phone by some certified trainer out there. Or even if you do not have a personal trainer, you can go to the gym people and ask them for guidance. They will not say no to you. And secondly, if you watch YouTube very frequently, you can save videos offline and use YouTube workouts and all that. So that will help you stay in focus and not roam around confused. So 4th is have a plan. Number 5 is only go to a personal trainer. There are a lot of self-claimed trainers roaming around in the gym. You have paid the gym fees, you've not paid random people for your workout. You paid the gym, you paid your trainer. So goddamn ask the trainers. Even if you're not under personal training, there are a lot of floor trainers. And even if you ask a personal trainer or a trainer head, I'm sure they will not say, they'll not be reluctant to help you. So do not just randomly ask people कि आज मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे ये नहीं आता, मुझे वो नहीं आता, and people who want to take charge of you and would ask you to come along and do workout with them and do workouts with them. So that is wrong. That is wrong on their part, who are trying to help you, because they are in no position to help you, and on your part, because you've paid the gym fees, you've paid your trainer, that you're not working out for free. So number 5 is go to a certified trainer, go to a professional, and not just ask other people around. Avoid socializing. That would again come under socializing. Next is your form. So next is your form. We often see people doing a little weird stuff and feeling uncomfortable and yet trying to do it, trying to get it right. So that is very wrong because you might end up getting injured. So it's best if you ask a trainer or somebody around to like help you. If you're going, not somebody around, I would again say trainer or somebody professional to help you out with the form, because in case you end up getting injured in sensitive places like your lower back or knee or something, you are going out of the gym for a long time, and not only gym, for a lot of other things. So definitely take care of your form. It is very essential, and stay warmed up. Do not take long breaks, because then your body will tend to cool down a bit, and the cooler the body is, the more prone it is to injuries. So last but not the least is intensity, which would kind of sum up everything that I've said, how I'm just going to tell you. Intensity is when you, suppose you're working out on your legs and you have 7-8 exercises that you can complete in 45 minutes, and those same 7-8 exercises you can complete in like say an hour and a half. So if you are able to do all your exercises in like 45 minutes or max 1 hour, you're on track. But then if you take longer than that, there is something wrong that is going with you, because either you're chit-chatting or taking long breaks. Do not take more than say 1 minute break, not more than that, because then your body will tend to cool down now that. So and the more the intensity is, the more your body is going to show results. So that's about it. I hope I was helpful to you all. So stay tuned and watch more videos. As I told you in my previous video, I'm very active on Instagram, Facebook, and we have a blog, which I'm going to link you down in the description box below. Do check it out, and till then, bye bye.